REM sleep is also believed to have a number of adaptive functions, in particular, functions that have been evolved and are maintained by natural selection. The first adaptive function of REM sleep is to keep the brain, especially the brain stem, warm during sleep, while much of the rest of the body cools. Evidence for this function includes the fact that cool environments prompt more REM sleep, and there is greater REM sleep at the low point of the circadian temperature rhythm. Additionally, REM sleep clearly occurs in all warm-blooded animals, those that produce their own body heat, right? But it is not clear that it is present in cold-blooded animals, those that rely on their environment for most of their body heat. The second adaptive function of REM sleep appears to be to modulate or control the expression of drives, such as aggressive, sexual, and eating behaviors. This modulation or control allows us more flexibility in our waking drive gratification. Studies suggest that REM sleep deprivation excites these drives. This is likely what explains the weight gain that is linked with chronic sleep restriction. The third function of REM sleep is memory consolidation. REM sleep provides an environment conducive to memory consolidation in many ways. For instance, during REM sleep, the brain is free from competitive uses. This is important because a high rate of protein synthesis is needed to maintain neural components of memories. The most impressive evidence of memory consolidation are really cool neural replay studies that show that newly learned information is replayed or rehearsed during REM sleep. In such studies, participants' neural network firing patterns are captured with brain scans when they are awake and learning new information or new tasks. Participants' brains are often discovered replaying those same brainwave firing patterns during subsequent REM sleep. Rehearsal is happening, right? This kind of replay of newly learned information is often observed during REM sleep and to a lesser extent in non-REM sleep, after which participants then show better memory for the newly learned information or tasks. The replay that we see in non-REM is mostly limited to replay of sensations and motor memory, while REM replay for newly learned information is more comprehensive. Furthermore, it appears that non-REM sleep is most important for connecting newly learned information to previously existing information, but REM sleep is most important for rehearsal of that information and the resultant strengthening of those neural pathways. Carly Smith in 1990 discovered what is now called an REM sleep window, the time period that is crucial for neural replay to occur after learning of new tasks or information. As one example, mice learned to find a hidden platform in water. Those who were REM sleep deprived from 4 hours all the way to 8 days after the learning showed memory deficits for this task compared to those who were not so deprived. The length of the REM sleep window appears to differ for different tasks. In our next segment, we will pick up with 4, 5, and 6 of the adaptive functions of REM sleep.